Namaskar friends, welcome back to my channel Living Economics. From today onwards, I'm going to start a new series which is a news series. So news series in the sense I'll pick up one news from daily newspaper and I'll try to analyze this from economic lenses. My whole idea is to make you understand that every day there is an economic phenomena happens. So it is not only should be read from books. Any news can be analyzed through economic lenses, and I'll try my best to make sure that you understand any news, whether it is microeconomics news or it is macroeconomics news, and through economic lenses. So let's start with today's newspaper. So today I have picked up the newspaper Times of India. Today is 16 September 2020, and on the very first page of Times of India talks about heavy rain in state sends vegetable prices soaring. Now let us analyze this news from economic lenses. If you see, in this news we are talking about how rains has increased the prices of vegetables. So if you read, the two keywords in this news is heavy rain and second is it has increased the vegetable prices. Now what is the phenomena behind how heavy rains have increased the vegetable prices? So it comes from the supply side. The supply, because of the lesser supply of vegetables due to heavy rains which have spoiled the vegetable, has decreased the supply of vegetables in the market, because of which there is an increase in the price of vegetables. This is one phenomenon which we can understand from how heavy rain have increased the vegetable prices. Now second thing also, it talks about that there is a dip in demand for vegetables. Now this is nothing but the law of demand. Just because there is an increase in the prices of vegetables, which is not because of anything else but one of the determinants of supply, that is rain, which has spoiled the vegetable crop, there is an increase in the price in the vegetable market. And because of this increase in the price, people and the hotels have now started demanding less of costly vegetables. So you see how, because of rise in price, the quantity demanded for vegetables have come down from hotels and also from household. So this is a case of law of demand, which says that when price increases, quantity demanded decreases and vice versa. Now we have seen two phenomena in this news. One is how the decrease in supply, overall supply, has increased the market price, and second thing is when price of the vegetables have increased, how the people have responded based on their normal behavior, which is generally called as law of demand. They have responded by buying less of vegetables which are costlier. So we have seen two things in this. One is the shift in the supply curve towards left, and second thing is the movement along the demand curve towards lesser quantity demanded when price have increased. Okay, so the second subheading of the news says adds to COVID load on kitchen budget hotels. And inside it reads out, the consumption of vegetables in the houses has increased in the backdrop of COVID. That means it again shows how there is an increase in the demand for kitchen food, for home kitchen food, because of one of the determinants of demand for home kitchen food, which is obviously COVID, which is staying at home, has made sure that there is an increase in the demand for kitchen food. Now when people are preparing food in the kitchen itself, there is an increase in the demand for vegetables. So you see how the prices are not only rising because of decrease in supply because of rain, but prices are also rising because of the increase in the demand for vegetables, which is a derived demand, which has happened because of the increase in the demand for kitchen food, which is one of the safety measures when people are not going out and ordering food from restaurants or any other parcel company. Right. This basically is happening in Bangalore because Bangalore is mostly a restaurant hub. people in Bangalore are quite used to order food from outside, so their frequency of eating food from outside is much higher than preparing at home. And you know, we used to make fun of us when we used to say that, okay, when there is a treat, generally in small towns, when there is a treat, we go out and eat in the restaurant. But in Bangalore, when there is a treat, if we want to give treat to someone, we prepare food at home and call them. So this is a difference how now the demand for kitchen food has increased because of COVID preventive measures of staying at home and not interacting much with people and maintaining social distance. Okay, before I wind up, I just want to make sure that you don't get confused with demand and quantity demanded. You must have observed that when I'm talking about increase in demand for vegetables, there is an increase in price, which is a different concept compared to decrease in the quantity demanded when there is an increase in price. Demand changes with all other determinants of demand, including weather, population, COVID-19, etc. Increase in demand increases the price, decrease in demand decreases the market price. Whereas quantity demanded changes with the change in price. So in this case, if there is an increase in the price, which is the independent variable, there is a decrease in the quantity demanded, which basically explains the law of demand, which says that there is an inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded. When price increases, quantity demanded for vegetables decreases and vice versa. So make sure that you are very clear about what is demand and what is quantity demanded. If you want to understand more about the difference between these two concepts, please put it in a chat box or a comment box and I'll make sure that I respond over. This is all about this news. Stay tuned for daily updates and for economic analysis or looking at the news from economic lenses with me. Take care. Bye.